to APG is too little. Now, as a lawyer and a philosopher, can you let the viewers know the authorities and the limitations of Acholi Parliamentary Group or the associated groups?
Acholi Parliamentary Group, I think, was founded at the time of Chief Justice Windora Nobat Mao. It is a loose association of MPs from a specific Acholi tribe. Like we have Akol Parliamentary Group, Uganda Parliamentary Group. So same is Acholi Parliamentary Group. Now what you people don't know is that it is a very loose association of members that let's unite and see how we can advocate collectively for our interests. And most of the issues there are generated by consensus. Even the elections, they say, okay, I think so and so. So when I see issues rising that there is this group of Acholi Parliamentary Group and the other group of Acholi Parliamentary Group, that one can excite only those who don't know Acholi Parliamentary Group. But for me, who knows it inside out, I think I don't know which language we're speaking in. English.
We're using English,
yeah.
But you.
So Acholi is unite in times of problems. So Acholi Parliamentary Group was at its strength during the war, during the Juba peace talks. So right now, the philosophical problem Acholi Parliamentary Group and any parliamentary group or any WhatsApp group is facing is the inward-looking approach. People now tend to look at their home districts. I am from Agago, I am from Amoro, Ankingona. So the division, the disintegration of the Ugandan districts into smaller districts have also divided the ethnic groups more. So people tend to retreat and say, one Lumara, one Luping, which are very pejorative words.
Acholi West,
Acholi West, Acholi East. So, and that is what our enemies want. Would not be united. And then I also want to say with authority, there are some members who never attend Acholi Parliamentary Group meetings. Some have been ordered by the government not to attend. So there is no single day in my 20 years in Parliament that Acholi Parliamentary Group has had 70% quorum. Yeah.
So on record, Acholi Parliamentary Group has never had 70% quorum.
No. Even if you call a meeting, even if you do what, members don't attend, the ministers are not interested. It may bring them problems. Some of them are not comfortable with the position of the group. Like Acholi Parliamentary Group should have come out clearly to say Balal must go. So some members who are ministers would not want to be in that meeting, you know. And then we have a situation where the chairman of Acholi Parliamentary Group, Honorable Akol, for example, has been facilitated by General Salim Saleh to carry out the verification of the Balalos. So now you say, the people whom we think are our enemies are the ones facilitating us. So the group will be smaller and smaller. So where are they now? I think where they are is this group, where there is Olanya, Gilbert, Amos. To me, is the more credible group. Yeah.